Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you one of my all-time favorite recipes, and that is chocolate peanut butter protein oats. And yes, it is as good as it sounds. If you're like me and you have a sweet tooth, you're gonna love this recipe. You can have it for breakfast, you can have it for a snack, you can have it for a bedtime snack. It just tastes amazing. So I'm starving, we're gonna get right into the video. If you try this, please let me know down below how you liked it, but I can already guarantee you you're gonna love these. And yeah, I guess that's it. I'm starving, I can't wait to eat this, so let's just jump right in.
So here are the ingredients. So of course we're gonna need some quick oats, some protein powder. You can use whichever protein powder that you like. However, I do highly recommend this one. This is a Yummy Sports ISO and Coffee Crisp. It tastes absolutely amazing, especially in oats. Then we have our Splenda, we have some peanut butter, we have our cocoa powder, and pancake syrup. Now you can use any syrup that you want, just make sure that it is sugar-free, because syrup does tend to have a lot of sugar in it. So that's why I like the Walden Farms. It has 0 calories, 0 sugars, and it tastes absolutely amazing. And then of course we have half a banana here. So these are the ingredients that we are gonna need.
Okay, so I'm gonna share a few tips with you guys to achieve the perfect oats. So we're gonna actually start off by mixing all of our dry ingredients together. So I'm gonna start with the quick oats. And we're going to need a 1/3 cup of this. So we're going to add the oats to the bowl. Once we're done with the oats, we're going to add 1 scoop of protein powder. You can even do a 1/2 scoop if you want, but I like to do a full scoop. So 1 scoop of protein powder. Then we're gonna go with about a tablespoon of Splenda. And last but not least, we're gonna go in with our cocoa powder. And we're just gonna add a little bit of cocoa powder. I would probably say just a teaspoon is fine, because we don't want a strong chocolate taste. We just want a little bit, especially because the protein powder is already chocolate flavored. So we're just going to add about 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. And then we're going to mix this together. So again, these are all of our dry ingredients. So once that is all mixed together, you can cook it in the microwave if you want. I personally prefer to add boiling water to this. I find that it adds a little bit more texture. So I have my boiling water here. And then depending if you like your oats thick or more watery, that's gonna depend how much water you add. So I usually like my oats to be a little bit thick, so I'm gonna add a little bit of water, stir it up, and then if it's too thick for me, then I can just add some more water. I think I added just the perfect amount of water, which rarely happens. Often I add too much and then it ends up being like a soup, not even a bowl of oats. But that looks perfect to me.
Okay guys, so that's what it looks like so far. I'm just gonna go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and then I'm gonna stir it in. And yes, I know that's definitely more than 1 tablespoon, but I love peanut butter. I'd say it's probably 1.5 tablespoons. And the peanut butter just adds an amazing taste with the chocolate. Oh, it just tastes amazing. So we're just gonna stir that in, make sure that the peanut butter is all melted in with our oats. And then once that's done, we are gonna go ahead and add our pancake syrup on top. And you can add as much as you want, as long as it's sugar-free. There we go. And then I'm just going to throw in my bananas. And there we have it, guys. Our chocolate peanut butter protein oats. This tastes amazing. You have to try this recipe. I promise you won't be disappointed. So go ahead, give it a try. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any videos. I am planning on making 2 videos per week. So yeah, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.